Hello friends. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own YouTube channel on YouTube. So welcome to my channel Impetus Cray, and I'm going to teach you a lot of new things every single day. Let's dive into the video. For my YouTube channel, and I like something like this. You can just go to Canva, which is a free software, or you can purchase 1 day or 1 month package of Canva, and you can create your own design, download it. For example, this is a pro, so that means you have to pay to download this logo. Let us create what I like. What do I like? I began from here and I like this one, for example. This is a cute one, but I don't like this image and I don't like this name. And obviously it's just too small for a YouTube logo, so I will increase the height to something called 26 or maybe 24. And instead of this, I have my own image. Where is it? Where is my image? You can use any of these from here if you want. I already have my design. So suppose I'll show you the entire process, okay? Where's elements? Elements. Easily used. We go here. And I like folded hands. I want this image because this is the image that I used for my last book, and I want to use the same character. I don't like the sad face, but I don't have a folded hand with a smiling face. So what will I do? I'll go here, I'll go to edit image, I'll go to magic grab, I'll go to click, I'll click on his face and I'll click grab. That's all you need to do. And then this will copy the face, features, everything that is within this blue bubble. It will copy it and you can use it anywhere. See, if I remove this, it's not there. Scary, right? You reduce the size and you have a perfect image. Perfect match. Now you click here, press on shift, click here and you group it. Now it's one image. Okay. Now you have everything you need. This is your logo, a simple legible logo. I want to change the name to my channel name. Pictures 3. It means motivation creator or motivation created or creating energy to create motivation. Basically, I love this. Writer's blog. Writer's.
It's fantastic.
Okay.
Glad you enjoyed the writer. Is there anything specific about it?
My Google started talking to me. So this is enough for us. Now we are going to click download, go to PNG, don't click on anything, transparent image we don't need, we just need one page. Click here, select page, click here and then click down. This is done. Now next thing you need to do is create the banner. So in YouTube, if you go to YouTube, click here, go to view channel, customize channel, and if you click on branding, you will find all the important images that you need. So here there is something called banner, which is the basic image that comes on your top, and the size of that should be 2048 cross 115752. So we are going to go to files, create new design, custom 11, put it 2048 204. What was it again? 2048. It is 2048 cross 1152. Pixel, create new design. And here it is created. So now you can click on YouTube banners and you can choose whichever you like. I like this one, but I don't like any of these things. So I'm just gonna click on delete and delete all this. Now you can go to elements. I'll go to recently used. I like this paper texture, so no, I like this one. So I'm gonna use this. Let's send it to back. So this is back. Change name to Twinkle, which is my name. Twinkle Rowell. Yes. Review, no makeup tutorial. Let's write down writing and science. Right? Now you can add some more elements here. For example, I can add a paper clip just here. Reduce the size. Click on paper clip, let it simmer there for some time. Okay, pretty. Now I like this color, so I'm gonna put it here. You can rotate it a little bit. Now you can add the shadows. So in Canva you have beautiful shadows. For example, I want just a drop on the page. So see how beautiful is it. So you can add that. And I guess that's all you need. It's pretty, right? You can add a small butterfly here. And a small heart here. Just make it look pretty, okay? You have so many options. Just use everything you have and you will create something unique and beautiful. Now I need to change this image. What I will do, I'll take this here and I cannot overlap this, okay? So let's delete it. So So we cannot put this inside. We will delete this. We'll just keep our face. Okay. Now we need inside face for this female. So what can we do? Very easy. You can go to elements and you can write face expression. I already have mine, so I'll just go here. I have these many. So I like this one. I'll grab this. Reduce the size. Put it on the face. Check again. Zoom in. View size. Change. Check again. Reduce size. Paste. So see. Now this is really good. Okay. Now you grab a circle that you like. Increase it. So this will be our background for the image. Left and send to back once more. Send to back. Copy. Group this. Now you have grouped this. Put in the center. Now you want to change the image colors. So you can choose any color you like. I like this one. So this is pretty decent, I feel. But remember, in YouTube logo, you have 3 different way of viewing the banners. So the one that we use mostly, that is our computers, it's very small. So just reduce the size and keep it in the center so that it is visible and it is applicable in all devices. Now download it. I do not have the exact size of the banner size which is visible on just laptops. So I cannot provide you the dimension, but you keep it smaller than the pixel that is given in YouTube, and you reduce it and you apply it on YouTube and you check whether it's within the region. If it's not, just reduce the middle part a little bit more, and that is all you have to do. This is an easier way. So I'm gonna download this. And if I want, I can change this again. Let me see if I want. So see, this is visible on all devices. This is viewable on your desktop. So it's pretty decent. Everything you have is there. And this is visible on TV. If you want the butterfly to be inside, you can keep it more inside like that. So this is what I meant. Okay. So I already have mine. I don't need this. So this is how you can create a YouTube channel. Just go to branding, change your logo, then go to banner image, change your banner. Go to video watermark, create a video watermark, and you can choose where you want this watermark to appear at the end of the video, custom start time, or the entire video. I want it at the end always, so I already keep it here. Now you can view channel. This is how my channel looks like. It's pretty decent. It has all the elements little. I can keep this more inwards if I want, otherwise this is just fine. Okay. And then you can add a little bit info about your channel. Go to customize channel, basic info. Here you write the name of your channel, the @ the handler means the tagline, this is how they will call you, and you will get message when somebody will call you for a message. So this is your name, this is your description. Make it funny, make it unique, personalize it, keep it simple, so friendly, and people should love you, right? People should love you. They love you, then only they will see your content. They should be able to connect with you. Your content should is like a honey trap. It is supposed to attract all the bees that likes that kind of honey. So please take care of description. Don't copy it from somewhere. Don't make it very professional, like just words. No. Personalize it. Have a friendly touch. Have a familiar touch. Have a unique take on your personality and create a unique channel. That's why we create channels, right? To present a unique self, to develop with the society, and develop your skills, your capabilities, and your behavior as well. I know this journey is gonna be awesome for each and every one, and it's gonna give you so many things that you will always remember, which will develop your characteristic, your personality, your what you call your inner being. Whole life is gonna change. You are an influencer now. Some people are watching your videos and getting new ideas, seeing a world from your eyes. So make sure the world that they see is the one that we want to create and we want to live in, and we want our kids and our future generations to live in. Yes, this is important. So see the world with a unique eyes, not from I can't even talk about those people. Not about creepers' eyes, or the ones who only want to make fun of the world. Don't be influenced by those people. They are not gonna give you heights. It's just a high for few seconds, and then you are gonna be alone. Nobody is gonna like your character. So develop a personality which always comes in the front, and always liked by everyone. Even if you get struggled for a small time, it's not a big deal. It's gonna reward you later. Just build your society properly.